Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my CryptoMember review. We are going to be taking a close look at CryptoMember, and also, most importantly, I've actually put together some high quality software traffic bonuses that would allow you to easily profit with CryptoMember. This is my bonus page. You find the link to this page in the description of this video. CryptoMember launches on the 24th of August by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So CryptoMember gives you access for you to create your own professionally done, fully monetized crypto membership website. Now, this comes in a number of ways. It actually gives you a number of opportunities to make money with these crypto sites. You are going to be getting access to done for you crypto courses that actually teach people how to make money with crypto. Now, people would be able to actually enroll for these courses. You also get the opportunity to get recurring income, that's monthly income from your members. That's from anyone that actually signs up to your website. But not only that, there are a ton of crypto platforms that you can actually sign up for free and then get paid up to 45% commissions each time someone actually clicks on these links to go to this website to do any crypto transaction or stuff like that. So if you ask, this is one way you can actually make money with cryptocurrencies even without you having to actively trade or use cryptocurrencies. Now, this is professionally done. So basically, there's no work done on your part. You get access also to content that is actually proven to rank in search engines. And this is how you get a ton of never-ending traffic to your own crypto members area. Now we're going to take a close look at these, but right now I'm going to show you the custom bonuses that I'm also giving away to ensure you don't even have to wait for traffic. You can actually get started and start driving traffic to start making money with these as soon as you get your own access to CryptoMember. So my first bonus I'm going to be giving you access to a cloud-based software that gives you done for you squeeze page templates. Now, squeeze pages are the tools that you actually need to make money with affiliate marketing and actually build your affiliate marketing list. So if you want to send somebody to, let's say, crypto site or any affiliate link or any sales page, what you should do, what you ought to do is send them first to a squeeze page. Now, this squeeze page allows you to build up curiosity. This is where you put an headline there, which you are going to be able to customize with this software 0 to 1000. You can basically add any headline you want, like want to know how to make money with crypto, learn how to make money with crypto, start making money with crypto within 24 hours and stuff like that. You can basically add your own headline. Then they would actually need to give you their own email addresses before they get redirected to the link you are sending them to. This way you have their email addresses. Now you are going to be building a list of customers you can actually forward similar offers to, and you can actually make money not just once, but basically unlimited number of times, even from these leads they are going to be getting. So you're going to be getting access to professionally done squeeze page templates. You also get access to done for you lead magnets. These are stuff you can actually give away. You don't really have to sell anything. You can actually give away, but still build curiosity and make people give you their email addresses before they get redirected to where you want to send them. You are also going to be getting access to free traffic and free traffic training. You get access to learn how to make money really with affiliate marketing using completely free traffic. Also, bonus number 2, I'm going to be showing you how to send some high quality buyer traffic from Quora. Quora is a question and answer platform. This is a question and answer website where people actually come to ask questions bothering them, and this can actually be in any niche. Cryptocurrencies, web designing, affiliate marketing, how to make money online, relationship advice, spirituality, you name it, you can actually drive some high quality free buyer traffic from Quora. And I'm going to be showing you in a video training exactly how to drive some traffic from this platform. Also, bonus number 3, you're going to be getting access to a series of training that actually shows you how to hack Facebook for some high quality buyer traffic. Also, this is useful whether you want to build your list or you want to basically send people to affiliate offers and then make money promoting affiliate offers. Also, bonus number 4, did you know that you can actually create your own type of website, your own crypto membership website, or your own crypto affiliate website, or your own affiliate marketing or make money online website all by yourself? Now, you don't even have to pay a web designer or anyone hundreds or even thousands of dollars to do this, because I'm going to be showing you how to create your own affiliate website or e-commerce website by yourself from scratch, selecting your domain name, selecting hosting, putting everything together to work for you. And also, not only are you going to be able to create your own website, you are also going to be able to use this knowledge to create websites for other people too. And then you can basically charge people any amount you want to create a website for them. This is what people do right now on marketplaces like Fiverr, and then you can actually get paid rendering this kind of services to other people. Also, bonus number 5, I'm going to be giving you access to another cloud-based traffic software. Octagon gives you access to done for you high quality ClickBank product reviews. Now, one thing about ClickBank is you don't need to get approval to grab your affiliate link. All you need to do is sign up, which is free to sign up, and then you go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID. Once you get this ID, come log into your Octagon Pro dashboard, save this to your profile, and then all these high quality done for you product reviews with some high quality traffic flowing to them become active with your own affiliate links. And this is probably the easiest way to make money with ClickBank affiliate offers. Also, bonus number 6, again, you don't have to wait to get traffic. You don't have to wait to rank. You don't have to wait for visitors to come to your website. Equinox is another software that allows you to target high authority YouTube channels and videos which are still getting a ton of views on a daily basis, but they have links in their descriptions. These links are basically expired and they are taking people nowhere. People are still clicking on them, but they are not getting anywhere. You have the opportunity to find these videos, and then you can actually get these domains and then redirect them to basically any affiliate offer you want. This work for Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, or basically any link you want to send people to. And this basically gives you access to some high quality traffic. And also bonus number 7, I'm going to be giving you access to a training also done by me, where I'm going to be showing you how to make upwards of $100 per day with affiliate marketing using completely free traffic. What's so special about this is you are going to be getting access to white label rights also, meaning you can actually use this also, give this away as a lead magnet, make people jump on your list, give this away as a lead magnet to build your list, or basically do whatever it is you want with this video training in a membership area also. You're also going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses. All the vendor bonuses are going to be waiting for you in your members area of CryptoMember. My own bonuses are going to be waiting for you in Warrior Plus. That's in your Warrior Plus receipt. Once you log in, you go to your purchases, you see CryptoMember. You also see my own bonuses right next to your purchase of CryptoMember. Now, all you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of CryptoMember. This is where you are going to be able to pick up CryptoMember and where you're going to be getting full information about the software. So here it says, get your own 100% automated recurring income membership site in the booming crypto niche in just one click. New web-based software creates instant membership sites stuffed with high quality crypto courses created for you by real crypto professionals. Plus, we earn our affiliate commissions in Bitcoin. We get more and more Bitcoins every day on autopilot. Find out below. So this goes live on the 24th of August by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Come check out the video also. Come check out this sales page anytime from 11 a.m. 24th of August because CryptoMember goes live by then. Right now, I'm going to show you the pricing and then I'm going to let you see exactly how CryptoMember works. And also, there's going to be a full demo of CryptoMember right here on this sales page. Feel free to come check out this full demo also in your own time. The front end of CryptoMember giving you access to your membership websites, the opportunity to add your affiliate links from all these crypto platforms and actually get paid. There's a number of crypto platforms you can actually go and sign up for free, get your affiliate links and add these. And all these links actually become active on your own site. People visit the site, they click on these, they perform any transaction, you get paid for this. This front end goes for a one-time fee of $17. And this gives you access to all the features, including unlimited bandwidth. Now, there are some optional upgrades which are totally optional. The CryptoMember Pro that goes for $47. The CryptoMate Done For You that goes for $197. The CryptoMember Daily Profit goes for $47. CryptoMember Agency goes for $97. And then you have the CryptoMember White Label that goes for $197. So right now I'm going to let you see how CryptoMember works and how you can put this to use for your own profits.
Hey, Dan Green here, and let's take a really quick look at CryptoMember, the new software that will give you the ability to create your own paid membership site for the booming crypto niche in just one click. Let's see how it works. So once we've logged into the software, all we need to do is head over here, and then we can choose a name for our site and then choose a niche. So it's so simple. All we need to do is choose a name. So I'm just going to go test. This is a test site. Obviously, if you were doing this for real, you take a bit more time and choose a great name for your site. I'm going to choose a niche here. I'll go with Bitcoin and we'll create a site. And then just like that, we then create our site for creation. And within just a few minutes, we have a site completely created for us. So then if we click here, we can see we have an entire crypto membership site created for us. So this is recurring crypto income. So we have, as you can see, we've got a pop-up advertisement here. We can, by the way, we can disable all these ads if we wish to. So this is just how we've set it up by default to make you the most amount of money possible from your site. But you can see here we've got a bunch of different ads for crypto exchanges, which you will get revenue share of and paid in Bitcoin. And you've also got a bunch of different crypto courses. So these are all crypto trading courses related to your chosen crypto niche. So in this example, we chose Bitcoin. And you can see here, this is just a preview of the course. So anyone who subscribes, so anyone who goes down here and then enrolls, they will get access to all of the crypto trading course on your site. So you come with about, at launch, we are looking to have around about 20 different crypto trading courses, and then add in another one every single week for you. So within just a few weeks, you should have dozens and dozens and dozens of high quality crypto courses created for you by crypto trading professionals. So if we just skip ahead here, you can see here, this is all just incredibly high value crypto trading info. And remember, this is just a preview. So this is just a preview that anyone gets who comes to your site. If they like the look of the preview, they can of course go ahead and subscribe at any point to get access to all of the crypto trading courses on your site. And not only that, so not only do we get actually I'll tell you what, that's just popped up again, so let me just explain how the actual advertising works. So not only can you make great recurring monthly income from all these amazing crypto trading courses on your site that are provided for you completely for free by us every week, we also provide a bunch of affiliate programs where we provide done for you ads. So these are what we've basically done is gone ahead and identified the most high-paying crypto affiliate programs in the world. Well, these are in the world. These are the highest paying ones in the world, with average payouts in the hundreds of dollars. And it's so simple to get them to work. All you do is you literally click the apply link. So for example, we like to look at this one here, maybe. It's got a 45% commission payout. So all we would do is we'll click the link to apply here. We get our affiliate link, paste it in there, click the button, and then we're done. So anyone who clicks any of the ads on your site, on top of the subscription income that you're going to be getting from the monthly subscriptions, you're going to be getting all this referral income, this affiliate income from these ads too. And all you need to do, once you've pasted your affiliate link into these, you can then hop over. So let's go to the site here. We go to pre-made advertisements, and then to change any of these at any point, all we do is we just literally select.